Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by gathering DB credentials and confirming ample disk space. This prevents mid-backup failures. Once ready, set Koha to maintenance or stop web services to reduce concurrent writes, then run miscldump with single transaction plus routines and triggers. Use a timestamped file name for clarity and retention. Doing this preserves consistent in no DB state without long locks. Make sure the dump completes and note the exit code to detect errors before moving to compression and file operations. Once the SQL dump is done, include Koha's configuration and file system data because they are required for full restores. Tar the /etc/Koha, /var/lib/Koha, or instance-specific var directories, and any uploaded attachments or patron photos. Compress archives with gzip or xz to save space, and generate a SHA-256 checksum so you can verify integrity later. Make sure file permissions are preserved during the tar step. If you need remote copies, prepare an rsync or SCP step now to transfer the compressed archive. Finish by moving the compressed backup to secure storage, an offsite server or S3 compatible bucket, and consider GPG encryption for transit and at rest. Automate the whole sequence with a cron job and implement rotation and retention so old backups are pruned. Crucially, test a restore on a staging server to ensure backups are valid and complete. If a dump fails, first check disk space and file system health. Verify MySQL user privileges and inspect long-running transactions that might block a clean dump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.